This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first of all, you will need to launch the Google Calendar application. It usually comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to download any extra or third-party apps. Once at the inside the app, choose the date that you would like to create the event for. Then at the bottom right corner, tap at this plus icon and go for the event option. At the event creation interface itself, you can set an event title. So for example, I go with bachelor party. You can change such things as the Google account that this event will be saved and synchronized to. Decide whether the event should occur the entire day or it will take place inside the certain time frames. You can change the time zone. You can make this event repetitive at various rates of every day, every week, month, year, or custom. Invite some people over to your event. Add the video conferencing link. Set when you would like to be reminded about this event. Set some color for it, add description or some file, attach any file or picture that you would like to. Then once you're ready to save it, just hit that save button to your top right. And well, I've made it. I've made this event to reoccur daily. So, well, whatever, I guess. And once I open the calendar, as you can see, all my calendar is crowded up with this event. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.